So I think the question we've got to ask ourselves here is, what's the point in having a digital patient journey? For me as a patient, the optimal kind of patient experience is one where I'm completely engaged with those who are charged with giving me care. Now, if you think about it from the doctor's point of view, what they want to understand is, how's the patient getting on? Are they really getting a benefit from my decisions? Has the operation I performed worked well? These are the things that actually matter to the physician. So the question is, how can we achieve that? And the reality is, in a one-to-one patient-doctor relationship, that's actually quite easy to do. You have the doctor here, you've got the patient there, they can talk to each other, they can engage, they can share information, the doctor can do his job much more effectively. The problem is that the patient isn't the only patient that the doctor sees. The doctor will see, in the case of primary care, maybe tens of patients every day, hundreds a week. In the case of surgeons, it might be less than that, but we're still talking a huge ratio between the number of patients and the number of doctors there are in the world and that are seen on any given day. So how can automation help this? Well, it turns out that if you use automation well, what you can do is you can start managing your patients effectively using cohorts. You can say, well, this is what I expected to happen. This is what's supposed to happen based on what we decided we were going to do. Has it happened or not? And if it hasn't, then we can escalate that patient, we can make different decisions, and we can then treat that patient much more personally, but doing it by exception. For us as a company, being able to do that, being able to manage massive cohorts of patients against what should be happening, and then managing those exceptions on a very personal basis, is the difference between a kind of very rich, consumer-focused, engaging experience for the patient, and one where every patient just gets put through a machine and it's completely impersonal.